Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and welcome to Finance MCQ channel. Friends, in this channel we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So friends, let's begin and see what's all in there for this week. The first vacancy is from Canara Bank for the recruitment of manager finance and a specialist officers category. Friends, this vacancy and the coming slides of recruitment by Canara Bank is a special recruitment drive for scheduled tribe candidates. So friends, those who belong to ST category are only eligible to apply against these vacancies. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is MBA Finance or MMS Finance or PG with specialization in finance with a minimum 60% marks. Friends, here the upper limit is 35 years. There are total 20 vacancies and there will be all India transfers. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, here the package is 9.96 lakh gross and you have to apply before 15th December 2020 via online mode. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so you can directly click there and apply for these vacancies. Moving on, next category is for cost accountant and the educational qualification asked is CMA. Friends, here the age limit is 35 years and there are 1 vacancy. Friends, and the rest of the details are same as shown in the previous slides. So friends, next category of specialist officers is for chartered accountant. Here the educational qualification asked is a CA degree. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. There are total 20 vacancies and again an all India transfer liability. Friends, rest of the details like nature of employment, experience package, mode of application and last date is same. Friend, next category of specialist officer vacancies is for manager law. Here educational qualification asked is a degree in law. Friends, here upper limit is 35 years and there are total 43 vacancies on all India basis. Friends, again a permanent post. Experience here asked is 3 years. The package and mode of application last date is same as shown in the previous slides. Moving on, next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited, which is a government of India undertaking for the recruitment of 1 post of Chief General Manager Law. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is bachelor degree in law. Friends, it's a permanent post. The upper limit is 56 years and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you need to have 24 years of experience. Here the pay scale per month would be between the range of 51,300 to 73,000 rupees. Plus there will be an addition of basic DA, then TPT, DA, HRA and other perks. Friends, you have to apply online before 4th December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from Central Pollution Control Board, which is under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. Here the post is for deputation, that means who are already holding analogous post or having 6 years of experience in level 6 or 7 years of experience in supervisory level or 2 years of experience as an assistant accounts officer. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in commerce. Friends, the upper limit is 56 years and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, this is a post on deputation. As I said, the package would be 8.5 lakhs per annum and you have to apply offline before 21st December 2020. Next vacancy is from Aligarh Muslim University for the recruitment of 5 posts of assistant accounts. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a bachelor's degree. The upper limit is 26 years and the place of posting would be Aligarh. Friends, it's a permanent post but you need to have 3 years of experience as upper divisional clerk or equivalent in a university or academic institution or central government, state government or government undertaking. Friends, here the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline before 25th November 2020. Moving on, next vacancy is from PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, for the recruitment of 1 post of junior economist. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is post graduation in economics or econometrics or developmental economics. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. Again, the place of posting here is New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual post. The experience asked is 1 year. Friends, the package would be between 40,000 to 60,000 depending upon your experience and you have to apply offline before 11th December 2020. Next vacancy is from Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation Limited, which is a premier industrial development agency of Government of Tamil Nadu. Friends, here the post is for accounts officer or manager accounts. The educational qualification asked is a chartered accountancy degree. Friends, here the age limit is 30 years, there is 1 vacancy and the place of posting would be Chennai. Friend, it's a permanent post and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. And here the pay scale would be the state government pay scale of level 22, and your pay range will be between 56,100 to 1,77,500 basic pay. And there will be other additions like DA, TPT, TPT-DA, HRA and other perks. Friends, you have to apply online before 8th December 2020. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of manager secretarial. Friends, here you need to have associate company secretary degree. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a one vacancy post and the place of posting again would be Chennai. Friends, it's a permanent post. Experience you need to have 2 years, and here the pay scale, mode of application and last date is also same as shown in the previous video. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization, but here the recruitment is for contractual post of consultant accounts. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a chartered accountancy degree. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a one vacancy post. Again, the place of posting is at Chennai. Friends, here the experience required is between 3 to 5 years. Friends, you will get a consolidated monthly package of rupees 1 lakh per month. Friends, you have to apply online before 8th December 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of consultant legal. Here the educational qualification asked is LLB. Friends, upper limit is 35 years. Here is one vacancy post and the place of posting would again be Chennai. Again a contractual post, friends, and you need to have experience between 3 to 5 years to apply for these vacancies. Your package per month would be up to rupees 60,000 per month. Again, you have to apply online before 8th December 2020. Next vacancy is from MSTC Limited, which is a Mini Ratna category PSU under Ministry of Steel, Government of India. Here the recruitment is for DGM Law. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is master's degree in law. The upper limit is 45 years. It's a one vacancy post and the place of posting would be Kolkata. Friends, it's a permanent post, but you need to have 16 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 25.56 lakh gross, and you have to apply online before 11th December 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of senior manager law. Here the educational qualification asked is master's degree in law. The upper limit is 45 years. It's a one vacancy post and the place of posting would be Kolkata. Friends, it's a permanent post, but you need to have 11 years of experience here to apply for these vacancies. The package would be 19.08 lakhs gross. You have to apply online again by 11th December 2020. Next vacancy, friends, again from the same organization for the recruitment of deputy manager law. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a degree in law. Friends, upper limit is 32 years. There is a one vacancy post. Again, the place of posting will be at Kolkata. Friends, it's a permanent post and you need to have only 5 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, here the package would be 13.78 lakhs gross, and you need to apply online again by before 11th December 2020. Friends, a gentle reminder for those who are preparing for SEBI Grade A Officer exam, please visit financemcq.in. Here we are presenting the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus of general stream in MCQ format. Friends, here 2000 plus subject wise, topic wise MCQ questions are presented for you to practice. Friends, we have added explanation for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. Apart from this, friend, we are also presenting 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. So friends, do visit financemcq.in website and practice your technical syllabus well. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from NPS Trust, which is established by PFRDA under Indian Trust Acts for taking care of assets and funds under National Pension System. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts of Officer Grade E General Manager. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law or engineering or a CA, CFA, CS or CMA. Friends, here the upper limit is 48 years. There are 2 vacancies and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, it's a permanent post, but you need to have 14 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, here the pay scale would be between 72,800 to 1,02,350 basic. Friends, you have to apply offline before 21st December 2020. Next vacancy is from NPS Trust, again for the recruitment of Officer Grade D Deputy General Manager. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is again the same, that is master's degree in any discipline or bachelor's degree in law, engineering or a CA, CFA, CS or CMA. Here the upper limit is 45 years, but there are total 4 vacancies and the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, again a permanent post, but you need to have 11 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friends, here the package would be between the pay scale of 68,500 to 86,300 basic, and you have to apply offline before 21st December 2020. Next vacancy is from Office of the Controller of Communication Accounts, which is under Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, Department of Telecommunication, Government of India. Friends, it's a post on deputation. That means those who are holding analogous post or having 3 years of experience as junior accountant or auditor are eligible to apply. Friends, it's a post of senior accountant. The upper limit is 56 years and there are total 6 vacancies. Friends, here the place of posting would be Bengaluru. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline before 20th December 2020. Next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited, which is a mini Ratna company under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Friends, here the recruitment is for 4 posts of finance professional at Noida. Friends, the educational qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or semi-qualified, that is CA Inter or CMA Inter. Friends, the upper limit is 40 years. It's a contractual post. For CA CMA, you need to have 1 year of experience, while for CA Inter or CMA Inter, you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for these vacancies. Friend, you will get a consolidated monthly package of rupees 48,050 rupees. Friends, you have to apply online before 15th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from Jamia Hamdard deemed to be university for the recruitment of 1 post of finance officer at New Delhi. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is a master's degree with 55% or a CA or CMA. Friends, upper limit is 50 years. It's a tenure post and you need to have 15 years of experience as assistant professor with 8 years as associate professor or 15 years in finance, accounts, audit in a university or government department or educational institution or public or even a private sector company. Friends, even comparable experience in research establishment or institute of higher education will also be eligible. Friends, the package would be 26.28 lakhs gross and you need to apply offline to the university before 15th December 2020. Friends, next vacancy is from National Human Rights Commission for the recruitment of 2 posts of Assistant Accounts Officer at New Delhi. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is either you should have passed SAS exam or you should have completed ISTM training. Friends, it's a post on deputation. That means those who are holding analogous post or having 5 years of experience in level 6 of 7 CPC are eligible to apply. Friends, here the package would be 8.50 lakhs gross and you have to apply offline by 5th January 2020. So friends, that's all for this week. See you all next week with all the latest updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.